of. This is the Hotel Interurban in Tukwila, Washington, and this will be a room tour of room 814. So let's go ahead and go in. So you walk in, very modern, very sleek furniture and such. On the right is a full mirrored sliding door, which takes you to the bathroom. Very big shower, full vanity there. Also very sleek and nice. Toilet area. And as far as room amenities, it's a brand which I really like the name. It's called Rome, and you get African sea salt bath salts, which is kind of nice, a shower cap, shampoo, conditioner, shower gel, and body lotion, and then another soap here, towels and such down below. Alright, and then on into the room itself. This is the closet per se for hanging items, and nice plush robe included in all the rooms, as I understand. Nice place to set suitcase and such. And this either lifts up or pulls out. Oh, slippers. And a place to store stuff down there. And then this closet has more hanging space, your iron and ironing board, and a safe. I also understand that all rooms include a refrigerator, which mine is not working. I do need to call if I'm going to put anything in there, but honestly I don't know that I'm going to use it for this one night overnight stay. Another drawer there, and then coffee maker, waters. These two are complimentary, and additionals are $2 each. Kind of nice. Ice cube bucket there. Again, that full-length mirror that's a sliding door that goes to the bathroom. And then on into the bedroom area, we've got the bed. Very sterile looking, sleek, I guess you might call it, furniture in the nightstands, lighting. In exchange for a couch, which you might find in most hotel rooms, this chair kind of looks comfortable, but if it was a couple people staying here in the room, somebody else would have to sit on the bed or the office chair. And then you've got that sleek lamp kind of sitting over by itself in the corner, and then desk area here, chair, such, and then the one TV in the room. So I'll stand back and kind of give you another pan of what everything looks like. Oh, and I will walk you over to the view. So again, this is 814, and looking out over the mall area there. So there are lots of restaurants and such close. There's a Cheesecake Factory, Duke's Chowder House, a BJ's Brewery, I believe, Joey Restaurants, to name a few. I think Olive Garden's right over there as well. If you're a member of LA Fitness, there's an LA Fitness right down there. Looks like another brewing place. And so far I can tell you the biggest challenge I've noticed in the hotel so far is the lack of direction as far as which elevators to use and such. There's an apartment complex connected to it right next door, and you easily get into their stairwell and their elevator, which then doesn't let you off at your floor. So it's a little bit complicated. And then as far as the parking, I am parked in the parking garage out back, and I have no way, as it appears to me at this point in time, to get into the actual hotel. I've had to walk around now from my car all the way around through the side gate and back in the front of the hotel in order to get into the hotel itself. So it seems a little confusing. Other than that, we had a catered lunch today for our meeting, and the food was really good. I haven't enjoyed the restaurant or drinks or anything like that here yet. So, all right, that's the recap so far. I'll add more later if there's anything of pertinence. And this again is the Hotel Interurban in Tukwila, Washington, across from Seatac Airport, room 814.